Hello, my name is Arthur Piantedosi. I am one member of the fourth generation of Piantedosi Baking Company. We are 102 years old, based in Malden, Massachusetts. My great-grandfather started Piantedosi Baking Company in 1916 in Everett, primarily in pastries. In the 70s, we moved here to Malden, where we started making hearth French rolls, essentially. And since then, we've grown to do frozen production, fresh production, all over New England and nationally. First and foremost, our employees really are kind of family to us. We have a lot of people that have been working here 10, 20, 30. We have one employee who's been here close to 40 years working for us. A lot of family members in their families as well. A lot of brothers, fathers, sons, mother, daughters have worked here. So we try to make a very welcoming environment to work here. On top of that, we kind of have a reputation. We've been around for 100 years now, kind of known as a great hearth baker in New England. Each generation has added, kind of left their mark on the business and changed it in ways that they saw to be kind of beneficial ways to grow the business. I also know for me, it's been really great coming in here since I was like 12, 13 years old, working at the front desk, in operations, maintenance, getting to know the employees at a young age. And now it's really fun to be able to work with people that I've known my whole life.
We would like to give one final thanks to the Piantedosi baking family, Arthur Piantedosi, and the entire facilities for letting us come and film.